Beam runs a canteen and he makes bills for customer. Can you help Beam to make bills? Let us find answers and help Beam to make his bills. Kids, let us do for the first one. Let us find the total rupees. Add 8 and 3. Count 3 after 8. 9, 10, 11. Now add 1 on the other side. And add the numbers 1, 2 and 2. First, add 1 and 2. Count 1 after 2. It's 3. Then add 3 and 2. Count 2 after 3. 4, 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. For dosa and uttapam, the total rupees are 51. Kids, let us do for the second one. Let us find the total rupees. Okay kids, now add 8 and 5. Count 5 after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 30. Now add 1 on the other side. Then add the numbers 1 and 1. Count 1 after 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. For idli and coffee, the total rupees are 23. Now let's do for the third one. Add the numbers 5 and 8. Count 5 after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Write number 3 and 1 on the other side. Now add 1, 2 and 1. First add 1 and 2. Count 1 after 2. It's 3. Then add 3 and 1. Count 1 after 3. It's 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. For dahi vada and chili rice, the total rupees are 43. Okay kids, now let us do for the last one. Add the numbers 7 and 5. Count 5 after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write the number 2 and write the number 1 on the other side. Now add 1, 2 and 1. First add 1 and 2. Count 1 after 2. It's 3. Then add 3 and 1. Count 1 after 3. It's 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. For soup and noodles, the total rupees are 42.